Hi, I'm Ariel from Bright Data, the company behind EarnUp. Technologies and platforms keep changing, but other things stay the same. Users hate paying and watching ads, but developers like you still need to make money. This is where EarnUp comes in. It's a patented monetization SDK that doesn't show ads or ask for payment. Instead, it indexes websites, kind of like a search engine. It downloads public information like product prices and reviews from the internet. You know those big websites that we all use for online shopping and travel booking? Most of them rely on public web data collected by EarnUp. They pay us and we pay you. EarnUp is GDPR compliant and doesn't collect any personal information. It works in the background without interrupting your user, so you make money even when the app is not in use. It lets you improve the app by removing ads or offering some premium features. This is a win-win. Users enjoy a better experience and you make more money. Over 100 million users have already opted in, and every year we pay developers millions of dollars. We would love to partner with you. Talk to us.